Hello, Foxtecc viewers. Today, we're diving into a common concern that many iPhone users may face: issues with the Do Not Disturb mode. It's an incredibly useful feature, but as with any technology, things can go awry. Let's explore potential hiccups and effective solutions. The Do Not Disturb mode on an iPhone is a nifty feature designed to give users control over incoming calls, alerts, and notifications. Whether you're in a meeting, catching some Z's, or engrossed in work, this mode ensures your phone stays silent, preventing any unwarranted interruptions. Now picture this. You've activated Do Not Disturb, but for some reason it's not working. Frustrating, right? The first challenge is identifying the problem. Unfortunately, it's not always clear-cut. There could be various issues at play. Let's get hands-on with troubleshooting. Head over to your Settings application and click on Focus. This is the hub where you set up different Do Not Disturb modes. Check if Do Not Disturb is enabled by clicking on the dedicated option within the Focus settings. If not, enable it. Now, if the problem persists, ensure that no unintended focus modes are wreaking havoc. Sometimes these modes may interfere with the smooth functioning of Do Not Disturb. Are you using Do Not Disturb on multiple devices? It's essential to sync them properly. Navigate to the Focus mode settings and tinker with the Share Across Devices option. This little toggle can make a big difference. Disabling it might just resolve your issue. If all else fails, it's time to check for iPhone updates. Head to Settings, click on General, and navigate to Software Update. Keeping your iPhone software up to date can often resolve compatibility issues and bugs affecting the Do Not Disturb feature. In conclusion, the Do Not Disturb mode is a fantastic tool when it works seamlessly, but as we've discussed, glitches can happen. The key is to troubleshoot systematically. I hope these steps help you reclaim control over your Do Not Disturb settings. Thank you for tuning in, Foxtecc community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell. Your support means the world. Peace.